When the Springfield Public Schools opened its new $21 million Culinary and Nutrition Center last year, it was not only seen as a way to strengthen the city's partnership with its food service provider Sodexo, but it was also seen as an opportunity to change the stereotype of the typical school lunch. And one of the ways they're making that change is with lettuce. How? Producer Dave Fraser brings us the story.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
It's lunchtime at the Edward P. Bolin School in Springfield. On the menu, Tex-Mex tortilla soup, turkey and cheese sandwich, and Southwest chopped salad with breadsticks. Yes, school lunches have come a long way since the days of mystery meat and frozen fish sticks. And part of the reason for this improvement in Springfield is the city's new state-of-the-art culinary center.
We've been working on this for 7 years. We were able to build a $21 million Culinary and Nutrition Center. And what we're able to do there is actually process a lot of the vegetables ourselves, do a lot more home cooking, pre-prep the ingredients, make our own fresh muffins for the kids to be able to eat in their schools. We're just trying to get out of the old pre-packaged model. That used to be the cheapest, easiest way to go, and we're trying to flip the table and make our own products and make them become the cheaper, more cost-effective model.
With the help of the Kendall Foundation, an organization that looks for more sustainable ways to produce, distribute, and consume food, the city visited Little Leaf Farm in Devens, Massachusetts, to see if the lettuce they grow hydroponically would be a good fit for their school lunch program.
They're high-end lettuce. When you go to the supermarket, that's the expensive lettuce. That's the high-end stuff. So when we left, we originally didn't think that it was a partnership that was going to work with us.
But after running the numbers, they realized it made sense to source their lettuce locally.
And when we came down and we did the math on being able to get this lettuce fresh, having the shelf life be able to last 3 weeks, and counting as a dark leafy green for our program, the numbers actually made sense. So even though we were paying a premium and we were getting a premium product, it ended up being cost neutral at the end of the day. It ended up being a better investment for us and our kids.
Paul Salou is CEO at Little Leaf Farm.
We're growing locally year-round here in Massachusetts, as contrasted with the other lettuce that comes into the state, grown in California, multiple days old, grown thousands of miles away.
Salou grew up farming in New England and has been involved with many agricultural endeavors, including greenhouse tomatoes and organic recycling. But with 5 acres of greenhouses built and another 5 acres expected to go online this spring, it's organically grown lettuce that has become part of a food transformation system for him.
Our focus here is to grow sustainably. So no chemical pesticides, herbicides, fungicides. We capture all the rain that falls on the roof. We don't even have a well for this facility. So we try to incorporate those sustainability features, keep a low carbon footprint, and basically at the same time grow a great product.
Back at the Springfield Culinary Center, production is well underway, making the more than 20,000 meals of both breakfast and lunch every day. The center receives a delivery of 120 cases of lettuce from Little Leaf Farm each week, and that is used in the sandwiches and salads that the students consume.
As opposed to getting California cut lettuce that wilts and isn't as good, isn't as nutritious, the money stays in the state, and it's a much better product for the students.
It's just fresher. It looks better in the packaging, it tastes better, it stays crisp, and I feel like the kids like it better because a lot of people go for their food on looks, so when you look at it, it's more appealing.
This change in thinking when it comes to school lunches is also making its way into the classroom, as students not only experience a better, more nutritious meal, but also start to learn where their food comes from.
The kids being able to learn about hydroponics, to be able to learn about locally grown, sustainable, the kids being able to learn about these products coming from Massachusetts. And part of our partnership with Little Leaf, they're allowing us to do field trips so the kids can actually visit the facility, see how the lettuce is grown, understand. All of this stuff equates back to science class and health class, and they're able to actually learn in a whole different manner where they can see it, touch it, and taste it. It's pretty exciting.